Prepare for re-entry, navigating the transition. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase you might have come across: prepare for re-entry. Whether you've heard it in movies, science fiction, or even in conversations about returning to a routine after a break, we're here to break down its meaning and usage for you. Stay tuned as we explore this phrase in depth, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Prepare for re-entry originally comes from astronautics, where it refers to the process of returning to the Earth's atmosphere from space. The word re-entry highlights two main components: re, meaning again, and entry, which means to go into a place. Therefore, literally, it means entering a place again. This process requires careful preparation due to the physical challenges and dangers involved, such as the intense heat and pressure experienced when a spacecraft enters the Earth's atmosphere. Beyond its literal space-related context, prepare for re-entry is used metaphorically in everyday language. It can describe returning to a familiar situation or environment after a period of absence. This might be going back to school after a long holiday, returning to work after a vacation, or simply getting back into a regular routine after a significant change. The phrase underscores the need for mental and physical preparation to adjust back to the usual or a new norm. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in different contexts. 1. After a year of remote work, the company's HR department is helping employees prepare for re-entry into the office environment. 2. As the summer break comes to an end, students need to prepare for re-entry into the school routine. 3. Having spent 6 months abroad, I had to prepare for re-entry into my home country's lifestyle. These examples show that the phrase can be versatile, applicable to both physical and metaphorical transitions. Preparing for re-entry, regardless of the context, involves a few key steps. 1. Mental adjustment. Accept that things might be different, and prepare yourself mentally for the changes. 2. Planning. Organize your schedule, priorities, and resources to make the transition smoother. 3. Seek support. Don't hesitate to ask for help or guidance from friends, family, or professionals. By acknowledging the challenges and planning accordingly, you can make your re-entry as smooth as possible. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, prepare for re-entry. Whether you're returning from space or just getting back to your daily routine, understanding this phrase can help you navigate transitions more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.